This is a junior suite Oceanview. Lovely spacious room. We've got a closet here with a built-in safe. Also a couple of neat controls here. Do not disturb, and then this is for maid service. So if the do not disturb button is on, then they will still deliver any food or drinks or pillow menu items through here. So that way you're not bothered. And if you have had the do not disturb on and then you want to get the room cleaned, put the maid button on and they'll come in and do the room. Now this does close, so you do have privacy in the bathroom. Double vanity. And this is preferred to clubs, so you have a bit of upgraded toiletries there. Shaver, stuff like that. And this is the toilet. And then of course we have the walk-in shower, which is a, do this. There we go, dual shower head. There we go. And there's a bench there, which women will appreciate for shaving your legs. And of course that does close, so again, if you want privacy, you can. Or you can keep it open and have lots of light in the room. King size bed, super comfortable. Room service is included, Wi-Fi's free. And then we have upgraded minibar, as well as minibar down here. Beer included. I've got a welcome bottle of champagne there, as well as some fresh fruit. And then this is the view. Well, this is the balcony. Got a nice lounger there, table, tub on the balcony. And we've got a great view of the pool and the beach.